Hi guys, this is Liani with Light from a Dark Room. In this dark room today, I just wanted to give a very quick walkthrough of my screen printing process. After exposure of the screen, I take it to the washout booth and I rinse out the unexposed emulsion. After this time, I will take and remove the excess water, and I do so by using a window squeegee and removing the water from the inside and the back side of the screen. There are times where I will take a paper towel or newspaper and pat both the inside and the back side dry. You want to be careful to only pat because rubbing, you risk removing some of your design. So make sure to only pat. After that, I do take the screen back over to my exposure light and place it under the light for about 2 to 3 minutes. And what that does is it helps speed the drying time. You can also use a fan, which I have and I will use from time to time, just depending on how quick I need to get things moving along. After that, I take the screen over to my press and I align it on the platen using the film positive. I place the film positive on my platen where I want the design to land on the shirt. Right now I'm going to do a test print, and in the left hand corner, as you can see, the bottom left hand corner, you can see the creamy consistency of the ink, and you want to make sure to have that because it ensures a smooth, clean print. And I'm flooding the screen here, which is not necessary when using Plastisol ink, but it's very necessary when using water-based ink. I give 2 evenly pressured strokes and I do a print flash print. Here I'm only showing the second print. I take the heat gun and I dry the ink and up to a temperature of 320 degrees, which ensures proper curing time. There are other ways to do this. If you would like to know the more detailed version, please leave comments below and I'll be sure to post another video for you guys. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post more videos like this. Again, this is just a quick walkthrough through my screen printing process. Leave comments below and let me know what you would like to hear more about. Thanks for tuning in. This is Liani with Light from a Dark Room.